Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Laravel using Passport OAuth2 detailed guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will explore how to authenticate with Laravel using Passport OAuth2. First, ensure that you have a Laravel application set up. If you don't have one, you can create it by running the command composer create project prefer dist Laravel/Laravel your app name. Next, navigate to your Laravel project directory using the command line. Now, we need to install Laravel Passport. Run the command composer require Laravel/passport. After the installation, we'll need to run migrations to create the necessary tables. Execute the command php artisan migrate. Once the migrations are complete, we will next install Passport. Run the command php artisan passport install. This command will generate the encryption keys. It will also create the personal access and password grant client records in the database. Now, open the user model located in app/models_user.php. In this model, add the passports has API token straight at the top of the class. Next, we will configure the authentication guard for API requests. Open the config/auth.php file. In the guards array, change the driver for the API guard to Passport. To set up the routes for authentication, we will open the routes/api.php file. Next, add the necessary routes for the authentication process. You can use the following example routes: route post/register, authcontroller at register, route post/login, authcontroller at login. Now, let's create the authcontroller. Run the command php artisan make controller authcontroller. In the authcontroller, we will define the register and login methods. For the register method, create a new user and save it to the database. Make sure to provide validation for the incoming request. In the login method, verify the user credentials. If the credentials are valid, generate an access token using the Passport package. Return the access token in the response. Now, test the registration and login endpoints using Postman or any API client. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.